Guys, good evening. Nakaubad yung daddy namin. Anyway, so I'm cooking right now adobo for dinner. Ngayon lang ulit ako nagluto this week because I've been very busy. So, yan. Let me show you. Yan. I'm actually cooking adobo. So, yeah. Galing ko lang sa office. I have pimples, but anyway, don't mind that. So, what do we have for tonight's dinner? So, we will have adobo and rice with, yung adobo kasi, I put some, what you call that? Patatas. So, it's really nice. And I'm planning to, you know, ano ba tawag doon? Yung medyo maiga. Yung wala siya masyadong sabaw. So, it's tasty and, you know, malasa talaga yung nanuot yung sabaw doon sa loob ng karne. So, there! Look at our Christmas tree. It's not yet done. My kids, my two kids. So later on, when they're sleeping now, we're gonna put some Christmas balls. And I'm thinking it's not yet enough. So, meron pa rin akong mga paparating na mga Christmas balls to, you know, complete the look. So, that's it. And bye!